Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about one of the basic questions that someone can ask when it comes to keeping a pet, and the question is actually, should I keep a pet or why should I keep a pet? As an answer to this question, I'm going to discuss and list a few pros and cons of keeping a pet. So stick with me till the end, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for anyone who's just thinking and considering this issue that is it just suitable for them to keep a pet or not. So let's get started. So when it comes to benefits of keeping a pet, number one is improvement in physical and mental health. Some studies has proved that pet owners have lower blood pressure and cholesterol level. And also, as we can observe, since they're taking care of their animal, um, their lifestyle is somehow improved. I mean, they have to spend a few hours a week getting out and exercising with their pets, so that is a real good improvement in lifestyle. And about mental health, have you ever seen a pet owner who's depressed? Actually, and in fact, pet owners are rarely depressed and lethargic. And if you've ever discussed with them and have a conversation with them, they got a lot of subjects to tell you about. I mean, what a lot of things to discuss about what their pet is doing, how old he or she is, and many things like that. And also, they have a larger social interaction. I mean, with other pet owner or with their vets, and that is maybe why their their mental health is improved. Number two is going to be advantages for children. If you're a parent and watching this video, I can really encourage you that buying a pet with having some considerations in your head can be a real good option. I mean, children who learn how to nurture a pet and take care of a pet are way more responsible than other children. I mean, they somehow learn how that they have to spend a few hours a day for feeding their animal, for taking care of that animal, or also exercising, and that is a real positive point for children. And another advantage for children can be that children who are actually pet owners are more they share a more a sense of empathy than other people. I mean, they are more sympathetic. They can understand other people better. And that is because they learned to nurture an animal that is not able to talk. So they have to understand what he or she needs, and that is a real good point also. And if you are a parent of children from Down syndrome, keeping a pet is just a synonym with hiring a hand. It could be a real great help for you, but you have to consider the type of species and breed. And another advantages of keeping a pet as number three could be advantages relating to our old men or our old women. When it comes to elders and as people age, they need this feeling of engagement and involvement more than anyone. And keeping a pet can be real good for them. They feel that sense of being connected, and also they keep their social interactions as we said. Another advantage could relate to people who suffer from cancer or terminal diseases. Some studies has proved that if these people take care of an animal, it could really help them to manage their pain and also reduce their stress level. And also people with ADHD, I read in some research that if these people have a pet and take care of a pet, it could really help them to focus better. And here it was the advantages of keeping a pet. And about the disadvantages, I'm not really willing to call them cons or disadvantages because there aren't really cons of taking care of another creature. However, there are some points that you have to consider them just firstly, rather than to buy that animal and to face them while you're while you're taking care of the animal, or while you're keeping your animal. Number one is good expenses. Actually, taking care of a pet have many expenses. Can include food, toys, treats, a bed, and also healthcare expenses like vaccines or just monthly checkups. Also like grooming. So these are, or insurance. These are expenses that can pet have, and you have. And about expenses, you have to consider this fact that different species and different breeds can have a different amount of expenses, and this could be one of the things that you have to consider when you want to make a decision on buying which breed or which species. Number two is about time. Someone who buys a pet and decides to take care of a pet have to consider this fact that there is some time. I don't know how much time, but actually a time a day that they have to take care of an animal. And again, this time really differs from a species to another species. And you have to have this kind of time commitment for your pet. Number three is about housing. I mean, your house should be somehow pet proof before you buy your house. I mean, if you're buying a little kitten, so take care of your sofa and curtains, maybe. So these are something that you have to consider. But if you're buying a fish, you just have to think about a place to put their aquarium. And about housing, also you can. There should be some point that some pets make your house a little bit dirty, and you have to clean it more frequently. And number four is about allergy or other consideration. Your partner or your family member can be allergic to birds, to kittens, to dogs. So this is something that if you buy these species, it could be a disadvantage for them. And also, other considerations may include that you are living with your children, and this is really important when it comes to exotic pets. I'm also pregnant woman, and I'm definitely gonna make videos about this. So it was a quite a short list of pros and cons of keeping a pet. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you find it useful and helpful for you. If you want to make decision about buying a pet or taking care of an animal, you can also watch the next video of mine, which is about the most important considerations about keeping a pet. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. See you later. Bye.